Get it. Hi YouTube, this is Tara. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, I made it home and I'm trying to use like a little protector.
Mama, you're so angry.
No, I'm not. Be quiet.
Yes, you did. Okay, like a big bad
See,
word.
look.
You said a bad word. I'm gonna kill you, bad word.
Ain't nobody.
Hey, I could.
Okay, so I'm just gonna try to. I'm gonna take this off for just a minute.
I don't wait.
Okay, and let's try to get this. I want to file this, and I want to file it because I had that tea bag on there, and I want to file that tea bag off so that it can be nice and smooth. So y'all seen it where it broke. Look. Oh, my granddaughter, I'm at my daughter's house, so my granddaughter is, I left the other file, like with the pedicures and all of that. I left all of that at work, up under my desk. And I'm praying to God that nobody goes up under my desk and get my stuff. But the cleaning people, they're pretty good. They don't bother you though. And I got to file this real light. It's a good little file though. Emery board. It's still on there. Pretty much. Yeah, y'all. It's almost broke clean off. Almost broke clean off to the other side. It's ridiculous. That's why I don't let my nails grow. For this same reason. Because they break down like this. Okay. So we're going to cut us a piece of fiberglass. So last time I used tea bag. Okay. So we're just going to cut us a piece of fiberglass. And I believe I'm going to put this fiberglass over my whole entire nail. So we just going to, I don't know which way to cut it. I don't know what she doing up under there. Okay. This where I cut this little square. And this where I cut this piece. And it's about the same length. Right. As my nail. In fact, it is a little longer than my nail. Okay. So, what about the width? Is it the same width? Because I need for it to, you know what? I'm not going to be able to do it that way. I'm going to have to do it this way. And then I'm going to cut it just a little bit to even it, okay? Then I got to shorten it, which I hate to waste product. I don't know what my granddaughter doing behind this bed, so I'm going to glue it like right here, going across. So I do need like tweezers and stuff like that, so it won't be getting like all over my. But I left all of that. I don't know what you doing, but you better not be eating nothing. I still haven't figured out how to get this out. I don't know if it twists. I would think it twists.
I got her.
You what?
I got her.
Girl, move.
Try.
Try and get my video. Every time I try to tell her do something right, y'all, she's like, Why you so angry? You're so angry.
I'm not angry. I let you play.
Get back out of my video. They can see you.
Okay, you go.
Okay. Let's get us
I
up.
want my bill too.
Go in there with your mom till I get through with my video, please.
I want my bill too. I want my iPad. You play my day. I want my iPad.
Okay. So this brush came with it. I'm sweating, y'all, cause close the door, baby. Thank you. This is what we're gonna.
Mama, I love you.
I love you too. You didn't close the door. Thank you. She told me, y'all. She said, Grandmama, you not my friend. You not my best friend. It almost broke my heart. But y'all know I don't care that she said that. She said that because whenever you discipline her, she doesn't like it. And that's our children, you know. So we got us a little nail glue in here. So we're going to dip in here and get it out. It's clear so y'all can't see, but y'all can see that part, right? So, okay. So we're going to take our nail glue and we're going to actually put it on this nail. Now, I should have used that other nail glue that, oh, shoot. I should have used that other nail glue. Y'all can, I know it's hard for y'all to see. But y'all see what I'm doing, right? And I pretty much adhere that nail back on there to the best of my ability. Okay, and then we're gonna get our little piece of fiberglass. Okay, and then I know y'all can't see it, but we're gonna put our fiberglass on here. Okay, so turn around, let y'all see. Okay. I'm assuming that's how it goes. Did I put it on the wrong side? Hold on, y'all. It's not sticking. Shit. Uh-oh, excuse me. Don't make me use the other glue now. Don't make me go get the kiss. Because what I really try to do is get it on the entire nail to keep it from chipping and breaking. Oh my goodness, it's not. Uh-oh. It didn't come with no instructions, y'all. Oh. Okay, let me dip back in here. Let's get some product. No, we're gonna put some product on here. I don't know how to use this. I really don't. Oh, it's coming apart, y'all. That's fine. They gonna make me go get the tea bag. Cause now I'm thinking it don't go like that. Hold on. Oh, Lord have mercy. Oh, Jesus. Okay. I hit the nail. Oh, Lord. I thought this would be easy. I thought this would be the easy part. What are my other Q-tips? Did that little girl get my other Q-tips? Oh. Y'all, this gonna be a fail. gonna be a fail video. I'm telling you. Oh Lord, I think I'm gonna have to cut that nail off. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Okay, let's try this again. I have some of the glue, the nail glue on here, and I'm putting it on the nail. Okay. Listen, this may be an epic fail. So, I'm going to post the video regardless. However, let's see, can we get it? So, I went and got my Kiss. And I still have this gel on here. But I'm going to put a couple of drops on my nail. Actually, I just put one drop. Ooh, and you all can see it. And I'm going to take that fiberglass. This is going to be a part 2, y'all. I can see that now. I'm going to take that fiberglass and put it on top. But mostly, it's long enough. I ain't even gonna lie. It's long enough. Had I known it was gonna do so well with the glue, you know what I would have done? See, y'all can't see. I'm all out of the frame. Let me put another drop on top. I may have to put 2. Well, however many. And I didn't want to use this because this actually gets on the skin. It smells loud too, y'all. It actually gets on the skin. See? And so that was almost an epic fail, but not quite. We saved it. We saved the day. Okay. We're gonna blow it. I do feel like a little snake, a little bit of a sting sensation. Okay. what we have to remember is that split did grow out. That break did grow out just a little bit. I don't want to do like too much to it with this gel stuff because I don't have